Hi, with these just 5 ingredients, I'm going to show you how to make a strong detergent and the best grease remover you'll ever use. You're going to need any laundry soap bar like Zote, Vanish, or Zest. You're going to grind it and then you're just going to put it in any pan. Then you're going to add 1 1/4 cups of Coca-Cola, 2 cups of water, and 1 cup of white vinegar. Then you're just going to add 2 heaping tablespoons of baking soda. It will foam and rise a bit, don't worry, just stir it, it'll go down pretty fast. Once it goes down, you place it over the heat. It doesn't have to be very high, and you're not supposed to let it boil, but you have to wait until the soap melts completely. Once it melts down, you just take it off the heat and you let it cool down a bit. Don't let it cool totally. Before it cools down and hardens, you have to place it in any container that you want to store it. I use these plastic containers, they must have a lid. Once you let it cool down, it hardens and a serum will form. So you just have to spill that out and throw it out and then just cover it. And you can store it like that. I tried it on different kinds of surfaces, like this kettle that is made out of stainless steel. It was very stained, so I just put a bit of this soap on a stainless steel scrubber, and then I just, with a damp cloth, I wiped it and it came out really clean. I did the same with the kitchen sink. It's made out of stainless steel, and I rinsed it. It was very stained. It came out really shiny. The same I did with the faucet, and look how shiny it turns out. And then I tried it on this plastic strainer. It was very stained, so I just placed some of the soap on a sponge and rinsed it, and all the stains came out. It looks brand new. It has no more stains. And then I wanted to try it on this pan that's made out of aluminum. It's very stained on the inside, and so I just scrubbed it with the stainless steel scrubber and then just rinsed it, and practically all the stains came out. And then I wanted to try it on a different type of surface, so I tried it on a glass. These glass dishes, like on the rim, were very stained, so I just passed it with a sponge, and look, it's so clear and crystal clean. I love how these dishes came out. And then I also want to try it on aluminum. This pan was very stained, so I just scrubbed it a bit, rinsed it, and it looks brand new now. So this really pays off for itself. It comes out a lot of little containers. Look at all I made, and you can store it for months. I hope you try it. Bye.